Hello guys, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Bob Andy's 1968 hit song, Let Me Say, has been covered by Jamaican veteran singer Bitty McLean. This will be the first single from the forthcoming album, We Remember Bob Andy, a tribute which features 15 artists covering Bob's catalog for Reggae Month coming February. The Walk Away from Love singer Bitty initially recorded as a solo artist in the 1990s, but his love for Jamaican rocksteady was realized through UK producer George Peckin. In 2004, he released his 15-track album On Bond Street Kingston JA, which features his hit song Walk Away from Love, plus Baby Tonight, Tell Me and You Here, just to name a few. Jamaican-born Cali Ranks has recently collaborated with the singer Lauryn Hill on the song Perfect Match. Cali has expressed that working with the 8-time Grammy winner was a momentous experience in his musical career. He feels honored that the single will be part of a collective project. Perfect Match is part of Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica, the Asian edition, which will debut on December 23 and features reggae artists Caputan, Sizzla Kalonji, and cricketer-turned-artist Chris Gayle. Now onto the international scene, where Adidas has ended its relationship with Kanye West. In a statement Tuesday, the sportswear maker said it does not tolerate anti-Semitism and any other sort of hate speech, and said that his recent comments were unacceptable, hateful, and dangerous. Adidas said the comments violated the company's values of diversity and inclusion, mutual respect, and fairness. This month, Kanye came under fire for making a series of anti-Semitic remarks and wearing a shirt with a slogan associated with white supremacists, putting some of his fashion-related businesses in jeopardy. In addition, the social media platform Parlo, which bills itself as a platform for uncancelable free speech, announced that it would be sold to Ye. This comes after Twitter and Instagram restricted Ye's accounts earlier this month in response to anti-Semitic posts. Ouch. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.